Welcome back to Simple Spoken English. I'm Jack, and today I'm not just going to teach you English. I'm going to sit with you like a friend, like someone who truly wants you to grow. Let me ask you something very honestly. Do you want to speak English, but you feel something stops you? Do you understand a little, but when it's time to speak, your mind becomes blank? Do you feel nervous, maybe even a little embarrassed? If yes, then listen carefully, because today, I'm not going to give you big grammar rules. I'm not going to confuse you with difficult words. I'm going to give you something powerful, something real, small habits that can change your English and your confidence, step by step. And I want you to imagine this. You and me sitting together. Maybe you're lying on your bed. Maybe walking, and I'm guiding you personally. No pressure, no stress, just simple learning. Now listen, most people fail in English not because English is hard, but because they try to do everything at once. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, everything together. And your brain says, I can't handle this, so you stop. But today, we change this. We go slow, but we go real. Lesson 1, speak 5 simple sentences daily. Let me tell you the biggest truth. You cannot learn speaking without speaking. I know it sounds simple, but this is where most people fail. They watch videos, they read books, they understand everything, but when it's time to speak, silence. And do you know why? Because speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. Just like driving, you can watch 100 videos, but until you sit on the bike, you won't learn. Same with English. So today I give you a very simple rule. Speak 5 sentences every day. Not 50, not 20, just 5, and I know what you're thinking. Jack, only 5 sentences. Will this really work? Yes, if you do it daily without break. Start like this. I am learning English. I feel good. I am trying. I'm happy. I am ready. That's it. Simple, right? But here is where the magic happens. Don't just say once, repeat it. Say each sentence 5 times, 10 times. Say it loudly, because your brain learns through repetition, but your mouth learns through speaking and listen. This is important. Do not speak in your mind. Speak out loud, even if someone is around. Go to another room. Go to the terrace. Go for a walk. But use your voice, because confidence doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. Now let me tell you something personal. When I started learning English, I was exactly like you. I understood a little, but I was afraid. I used to think, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh? So I stayed silent. But one day, I made a decision. I said, enough, I will speak even if it's wrong. First day I spoke just 1 sentence. I am earning English. My voice was shaking, but I spoke. Next day, 2 sentences. Then 3, then 5, and slowly, something changed inside me. Not my English first,